Have you ever wondered why you are spending money on Amazon PPC but not seeing the sales or profitability you expected? You are not alone. I have audited hundreds of Amazon PPC campaigns and I have noticed that most struggling accounts make the same mistakes over and over again. The good news is that those issues are fixable. In this video, I will break down the 5 biggest reasons why Amazon PPC campaigns fail and show you exactly what you should do instead. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, overbidding on keywords. One of the most common mistakes sellers make is bidding too aggressively. Many sellers assume that higher bids automatically mean more sales. While higher bids can increase your visibility, they can also dramatically increase your advertising cost as well. For example, if your product has a healthy profit margin but you are paying too much per click, your echoes can quickly become unmanageable. Instead of blindly increasing bids, you should focus on analyze conversion rates, review CPC trends, increase bid only on keywords that consistently generate profitable sales, lower bid on keywords that generate click but fail to convert. Remember, the goal isn't to win every auction. The goal is to make profitable sales. Mistake number 2, using the wrong keyword match types. Another major reason campaigns fail is improper use of keyword match types. Many sellers put all keywords into broad match and hope Amazon finds the right audience. That's the problem. Broad match can trigger irrelevant search terms, leading to wasted spend. So a better approach will be here. You can use broad match for keyword discovery and use phrase match for targeting relevant variations. You can use exact match for your proven converting keywords. As search term data comes in, move winning keywords into exact match campaign where you have a better control. This structure helps improve efficiency and reduce wasted ad spend. Mistake number 3, ignoring tacos. Many sellers focus only on echoes. While echoes is important, it doesn't tell the full story. This is where tacos comes in. Tacos measures your advertising spend against total sales, including organic sales. For example, if your echoes is slightly high but your organic sales are increasing significantly, your overall business may still be growing profitably. That's why I will suggest you to monitor echoes, tacos, organic ranking, total account growth. Looking at only echoes can lead to poor decisions that hurt long-term growth. Mistake number 4, poor keyword harvesting. Keyword harvesting is one of the most important part of PPC. Unfortunately, many sellers either ignore it or do it inconsistently. If I mention some points that actually you are missing, that is, auto campaigns discover converting search terms. Those search terms generate sales, but the seller never moved them into manual campaigns. As a result, they are leaving valuable opportunities on the table. So now the question is what you should do and how you can get a better result from there. Now you have to do reviewing search term report regularly. Identify converting search term report. Add winners to exact match campaigns. Create negative where it's appropriate. This allows you to give more control over your advertising performance. Mistake 5, not using negative keywords. This is one of the biggest budget killers. Amazon will continue showing your ads for irrelevant searches unless you tell it otherwise. Now, what actually you have to do? From the search term report, if you see that any search term generating high click, high spend, and no sales, you should strongly consider adding them as negative keywords. But you have to check those keywords previous performance as well. Like you can see from the search term report by taking different date range, and you can check their performance, what actually their previous performance, and based on this you can take a decision. Because sometimes we see that some good keywords will do not perform well every time. So you have to consider that like what's their previous performance and how actually you are getting the current performance. Based on this, you have to find out which keywords gonna negative for you, and then you have to add them as negative. If you add negative keywords regularly, you will get many benefits from there. Like you will be able to improve campaign efficiency, increase overall profitability as well. Just keep in your mind, every week at least 2 times you have to check the search term, and then you have to add the negative keywords. Most important is you have to check your automatic campaigns frequently. All right, if you fix those 5 issues, you will already be ahead of many Amazon sellers who continue wasting advertising budget every day. So that's all for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing the biggest PPC challenges you are facing right now. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next Amazon PPC related video. Till then, stay safe. Bye bye.